I looked for a hole over there. I couldn't find one.
I guess there's not.
That sucks.
Oh, it didn't go in far.
That went in pretty good. I gotta put it like right there.
Oh God, no! Suck.
Almost.
I only had like the biggest views ever.
You were following it?
I was like, woo! Can't even see that. She's like all black.
And then a little fire here and there.
Well, I can see it come now. It's like the only part I like that.
That would have sucked if it just would have blew up in my hand.
Ah!